Celebrate that special bond between a mother and her baby girl or baby boy with this gender-neutral Mommy and Me Baby Keepsake frame by Pearhead. Includes one wooden, whitewashed frame with an easel and triangle hanger for easy wall mounting or tabletop displaying as home decor, baby girl nursery decor or baby boy nursery decor. The whole family will love being able to cherish their newest addition with this adorable baby keepsake frame. Snap a picture of mom and baby in this frame to create an adorable baby arrival announcement to share. This baby and mom frame is the perfect gender-neutral baby gift, baby girl gift, baby boy gift, new mom gift, expecting mother gift, Mother's Day gift or addition to your own baby shower gift registry. Dimensions: 8 W by 6.25, H by 0.5, D. Photo insert: 6 inches W by 4 inches H. Top reviews from the United States. Cute room decor. Cute frame. Perfect new baby present.